Hey everyone, it's Veronica again with Longevity Welding at longevity-inc.com and freeweldingforum.com. First of all, I'd like to thank all of you for participating on freeweldingforum.com and being a part of Longevity Welding. The latest freeweldingforum.com contest, which recently ended on August 31st, 2010, featured our industry-leading Longevity Weld-All 200 PI, which is a 200 amp AC/DC TIG welder, a 50 amp plasma cutter, and a stick welder. Along with that, we included a Longevity Elite welding helmet. Pretty cool, huh? I will begin by reading out the usernames of individuals who qualify for the drawing. Good luck. First, we have Jelly. TJ Joel. SIC Fabrications. Welding 2 Potatoes. Tom Sign. Blues Man. Matt H. 99. Poodle. White Scout. Charlie Davidson. A. Randall. W. Ellis 77. I told you I wouldn't forget about you. And last but definitely not least, Buck CP. And now for the drum roll. Here we go. And the winner is SIC Fabrications. Congratulations and thank you for using freeweldingforum.com. Thank you all to those who have entered. We will be having a new contest up later today. Please check us out at longevity-inc.com and also check us out at the FabTech International Welding Show. It's going to be held November 2nd through the 5th, 2010 in Atlanta, Georgia. Our booth will be 7508. Remember it, and we'll see you there. Bye for now.